Good morning, students. So this is the second part of change in profit sharing ratio. In the earlier video, we calculated the sacrificing ratio and the gaining ratio, and the formula was sacrificing ratio is equal to old minus new, old ratio minus new ratio. We get in minus, that is gaining, and if we get in plus, that was sacrificing. Now, according to this ratio, we are going to do the treatment of goodwill. As I already told you, now there are two types of goodwill in such cases. One is the goodwill which is already appearing in the balance sheet, and one is the goodwill which is given in the adjustment on that date. So first I'll take the goodwill which is appearing in the balance sheet. Now according to accounting standard 23, only purchase goodwill can be shown in the balance sheet, and that too it should be written off. So in case if any goodwill is appearing in the balance sheet, we have to write it off. Write it off means we have to finish it up, we have to close that account. Now goodwill has a debit balance, it is an asset. So to close the account, we are going to credit the goodwill. So goodwill will be credited, and the partners, all the three partners or two partners, the existing partners will be debited in their old ratio. Now for example, the goodwill is 40,000. So we are going to debit in case if there are two partners, A and B. So A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit to goodwill. Or if we take another example, that in case if goodwill is 40,000, there are three partners A, B, C. Let us take the previous example, and the ratio is 2:1:1. So the journal entry will be A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit to goodwill. So this 40,000 goodwill will be written off among all the three partners in the ratio 2:1:1. And in case if they say that they are maintaining fixed capital accounts, so this capital will turn into current accounts. Now come for the second goodwill. The goodwill which is given as an adjustment. Normally, what do we do is that gaining partner's capital account to sacrificing partner, as I discussed in the previous video, that the partner who's gaining the ratio is going to compensate to the sacrificing partners the amount of goodwill that is in their gaining ratio. In this case, if we take that goodwill of the firm is 2,40,000. A's sacrificing ratio was 2/12, B's gaining ratio was 1/12, C's gaining ratio was 1/12. So basically 2,40,000 into 2/12, 2,40,000 into 1/12, 2,40,000 into 1/12. Now B and C are gaining. They're getting more profit sharing ratio, so they're going to give it to A. So B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit to A's capital account. And how will you calculate the amounts? I'm repeating, 2,40,000 into 1/12 for B, 2,40,000 into 1/12 for C, and 2,40,000 into 2/12 for A. So this is the case. Now if nothing is mentioned in the question, so you're going to treat the goodwill, the adjusted goodwill, like that. Now let me take another case when it is given that goodwill account is to be raised. So let us take a new case. I'm changing the ratios. That is, the old ratio was 1:1:1. The new ratio is 1:2:1. And goodwill of the firm is 60,000. Now they have asked us that we have to raise the goodwill and then we have to write it off. Raise the goodwill means that we have to show this goodwill in the balance sheet first, and then we have to write it off. So when we have to show this goodwill in the balance sheet, so goodwill account will be debited with 60,000, which is already given in the question, to A's capital, to B's capital, to C's capital in their old ratio. That means we have raised the goodwill has been debited, so new goodwill account has been opened. We have raised it. Now they say that the goodwill is to be written off, and even according to accounting standard 26, this is a self-generated goodwill which cannot be shown in the books, so we need to write off. Now this raised was done in old ratio, the written off part will be done in the new ratio. A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit to goodwill. New ratio is 1:2:1, so it will be 15,000, 30,000 and 15,000. Now if we see the net effect, A is credited by 5,000, B is debited by 10,000, and C is also credited by 5,000. So basically B's capital to A's capital to C's capital. This will be the same case which we have discussed earlier, that is gaining partners to sacrificing partners capital account.